This is a tutorial on how I make my thumbnails. Go to canva.com. In the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail. Now you can pick any of these. Some are paid, some are free. Once you've selected your design, you can then change the text and change the photos. I can show you how I'll do that now. Let's say we use this one over here, how to make money in 2022. Although our video is not about how to make money, it is how to make a smoothie. So we're going to go to our video, scrub through until we get to a point that we kind of want to use. And let's see, I'm gonna actually find a different part in it, maybe where I'm actually in the photo. Let's see, I'm gonna scrub through until I find something I like. I might even like that. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Full screen. And I'm going to take a screenshot like this. Now, if I click on uploads over here on the left, I can upload any sort of photo or screenshot. So I'm going to upload my screenshot by dragging it over into that right there. Now I can replace this image of the money coming out of his pocket with my photo, just like that. Okay, now we're looking at something cool. Now we do have to change the text. I'm going to delete this. Just click on it, delete. Make smoothie. And we might just change where that is, like that. I select the back layer and make sure that covers that. I think that looks decent. We're going to change this text to be, you can actually change it to the colors in here. That blends a little bit too much. That's too dark. That's kind of obnoxious. Might just go with the yellow. I think that'll be fine. All right, now I'm going to download it by pressing download up here, PNG, just the one page that we made here. Now to use your custom thumbnail, you do have to confirm a mobile number. But once you do that, then you can use a custom thumbnail by clicking this right here and selecting your thumbnail. And that's how you make a thumbnail using Canva.